Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for those beautiful comments. I see them. Thank you for the advices. I also see them. That's what helps this channel to grow. So this is a quick video. A friend reached out to me, and was like, how do we operate washing machines here, like our laundries? How is it being done? So this is just a video. I'm going to break it down so you could see how we do our laundry here in Germany. Most of the dorms have washing machines in the basement. So it depends on how your dorm is or your accommodation where you'll be staying, how it's been, how the laundry room, where the laundry room is situated. So stay tuned on this one as I carry you along to show you how laundry is being done. Let's So here, this is the opening where you put your detergent. Could be also liquid soap as well, depending on your preference. So here, Kochwasser means your hot wash, and then Buntwasser means multicolored wash. So you pick your preference. Okay guys, so yeah, my clothes is in mention 4. That's the antenna cutter you have to put. I made a mistake the first time, so yeah. So yeah, you have to point the barcode. That's what is in the card, 14 euros presently. I had to do it again, and that's good. It worked. So it cost 2 euro. I have 12 euro left. So that's the washing machine. You can see the time. That's others. So guys, that's how you do your laundry over here using the washing machine. Like you saw, the dryer is from 1 to 3 and it costs 2 euro. Also, the washing machine is from 4 to 8. It also costs 2 euro. But most times, what I do is I just wash and then I have where I dry in the laundry room. There are, ropes and also the dryer where you could, of course, you get it by yourself where you could dry your clothes. But if you need the clothes ASAP, then you can make use of the dryer, which costs 2 euros. So you see, Nothing is free. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe, because that's how I'm motivated to do more interesting videos. Until the next one, see you guys. Bye.